Hi there, welcome back to another video, and just super excited to share something brand new. Like I learned something new today, so I want to share it with you because it's I feel a tool now that I will use. When I learn new stuff, sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but I feel like I'm going to use this. So, let me preface that with you're most likely watching this on YouTube. If you join my Patreon, no. If you join my Patreon, patreon.com /lattes and more, it's the end of the day. You get weekly live videos, you get live conversation where we get down to the nitty-gritty of the fundamentals or more. Um, my videos go there first, especially if I've done a lot of research. Like I'm doing research now on bond vigilantes, so I can't wait to share that with you and why that's important if you're a fundamental trader. But my videos go there first, and also my personal lattes and more strategy, the way that I trade, what I look for, my settings, how I do it, how it's worked for years for me. That's on there. That's on YouTube. So I think I did like a quickie little video or something, $6.67 a day, 10 something a week, $11 a week, $50 a month. I'm here. I'm yours. Ask me questions. Let's go. Let's go live. Um, but most of my stuff is on YouTube anyway. So today I want to share something about the TradingView calendar again. I almost want to call this part two because part one was how to use it on your web terminals, like the platform for trading a broker, but um, how to use trading, how to find a calendar function, and how to use it for finding specific important dates and seeing price action on your laptop, tablet, whatever. Um, but someone asked me if there was a way to get that function on your phone. I'm like, I don't know. So did a little research, dug down, chatted with TradingView, and now I'm going to show you how to use it on your mobile device. So I'm super excited. Like I think that I'm going to be using that. So let me pause and let me bring myself in, bring my phone up. And you know what? If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me just show you quick. Otherwise, I'm going to have you watch the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I did a video a few days ago on how to use this calendar function down here to find specific dates instead of going back and like I'm on the hour time frame, instead of going back and go, oh, what did US 30? What happened? NFP day, and like, oh, let me go back. What day was it? Where is it? Like, instead of doing that stuff, you can go right to the calendar and bring up the date, and it's so easy peasy. I use it all the time. Someone had showed it to me, very grateful. So I want to show you how to use it on your phone. So let's get there now. So here we are. So I couldn't find what I wanted in regard to learning how to use a calendar on the phone. So I reached out to TradingView chat, not helpful, then not helpful. So there's one missing component in here when they said click on date and time. What they really meant was the time frame, not like the calendar date and time. And so I couldn't figure this out. So then I just asked the almighty internet, and Reddit had an answer that showed me exactly where to go, and it worked. And I was so grateful. So this is what I'm going to show you, my friends. So here I am. I have to be aware of like a delay. I'm just on gold. Bring up a chart. Bring up a chart as normal. I happen to be in the hour time frame because when you're in the hour time frame, you can look really specifically, like market open, or when CPI news came out, or PPI, or when our new administrator was speaking at 2 p.m. Like you can be really specific. So to bring up a specific calendar date, just like we did in my video, just like I did just now, you're going to tap way down the bottom, kind of on the left where it says XAU gold, and then the 1H for hour. You're just gonna on your phone, on your mobile device, you're just gonna tap that. So I'm tapping that. And if you see, then I'm like, oh, where, what? I can't figure this out. If you scroll on the data range, if you scroll over, there's that wonderful search magnifying glass in the go-to. Tap that. Look, it's like magic. It's just like magic. So I can go to anything. I can go to, let's go to Inauguration Day. How about Inauguration Day? Let's go to Market Open. I just tap this little blue, if you see, time, and then over to the right of it, whoa, that's weird. Did I touch something? It's blue. So if we go to market open, 9:30, I don't want to change the seconds, it will bring you, and it kind of got cut off a little bit, but up the top, can I move it? Oh, there we go. Perfect. It brings you that little gray box just like on your terminal, your computer, and it points to that actual candle with the price action. Look what happened to gold. That inauguration morning, gold kind of stayed steady. Oh, you know what? What time is this? Oh, that's in the evening. Oh, this is when the Asian market opened, like right here. Wow, that's curious. They bought a lot of gold. So you again, you can pinpoint. Uh, let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin and let's see. Wow. Let's see what happened. Um, let's see what happened during NFP 2 Fridays ago, a week and a half ago. So again, I'm on the hour. I'm going to hit that at 1 hour down the bottom, BTC USD, 1H. I'm going to tap that. I'm going to scroll over with my finger all the way to the go to button. I'm going to go switch the months to May. I'm going to go to the first Friday of the month is always NFP. I'm going to hit May 2nd. NFP news comes out at 8:30, so I'm just tapping that. I'm going to switch that back to 8:30, hit OK. Then it's going to show me that candle action. It opened. Well, this is 8 o'clock. Let's go to the third. Let's go to the 30 minute. Wait. Uh, how do I do that? Oh, here we go. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute. Tap it. Scroll over on the data range. This should didn't put on do not disturb. Yep, this comes right up like it does on the computer. I'm really liking this function. Hit OK, and it will show you, boom, exactly what happened. That little gray box and then the little pointer, exactly what happened when NFP came out. Settled, and boom, went back up. And boom, came back down. What the heck? So, I hope you find that useful. I think I'm going to find it very useful. Let me just reclaim myself here. Rename, reclaim. Okay. And actually, I'm going to leave. So I have full screen. Okay, great. So that calendar function is going to turn out for me to be very useful. for doing some back work to see what happened. I always like to compare like CPI 1 month to the previous month or to, somewhere in the past, those time frames, just to see how it reacted. Especially when I'm training, like, let's go see what it did. This was big news. Let's look at the dollar. Let's look at gold. Let's look at BTC. Let's look at USD. Um, yeah. So on my Patreon, you get that training. You get to see exactly what I'm doing, when I'm doing it, ask me questions. What was it again? Like $6 and a latte. How ironic. A cheap latte. A latte a day gets you on my Patreon. Patreon.com/lattes and more. Okay. Thanks, guys. I will see you soon. I'm working on fundamental video next on bond vigilantes. So higher level stuff. It'll be on my Patreon first, and then, it'll probably work its way over to YouTube because I want to share. But come see me. All right. Thanks, guys.